Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My today's topic is rise and fall of Islamic rule over Asia, Europe and Africa. My today's topic, the Islamic rule over Asia, Europe and Africa can be attributed to a combination of religious, political, military and economic factors. Rise. The spread of Islam began in the 7th century with Prophet Muhammad's teaching. Rapid expansion was fueled by the appeal of unifying faith and efficient military conquest. The Rashidun and Umayyad caliphates extend their reach through strategic military campaign, exploiting the weakened Byzantine and Persian Empire. The Abbasid caliphates further solidified promoting Islamic rule by science, trade and culture, establishing Baghdad as a center of learning and commerce. Fall. The decline of Islamic rule was gradual and multifaceted. Internal strife such as political fragmentation and succession crisis weakened central authority. The Mongol invasion of 13th century was devastated key. The Islamic territories, notably the sacking of Baghdad in 1258. The rise of European power. Additionally, the rise of European power in 15th and 16th century demonstrated the economic dominance of Islamic states. The Ottoman Empire, military defeat, administrative inefficiency, and internal and internecine strife. Faced with European technological advancement marked the final phase of the reduction of Islamic influence. Thus, the ebb and flow of Islamic rule was shaped by the dynamic interplay of religious favor, military powers, economic vitality, and political stability. Thank you.